Hello everyone, my name is Huiling Zhao. Today we studied Functions 11, Chapter 2, Equivalent Algebraic Expression, Factoring Polynomials. Summary: the rules are to factor polynomials fully. You can use factoring strategy that include: Number 1, dividing by the greatest common factor, that is GCF. Next, recognizing a factorable trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a equals 1. Next, recognizing a factorable trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a not equal 1. Next, recognizing a polynomial that can be factored as the difference of square. A squared minus b squared equal the 2 factor the a plus b times a minus b. Next, recognizing a polynomial that can be factored as a perfect square. A squared plus a 2ab plus b squared equal the perfect square of a plus b. And a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is perfect square of a minus b. And last one is factored by grouping. For example 1, factor. There are 4 questions. X squared minus 6x minus 27. B, 25x squared minus 49. C, 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. D, 6x squared minus x minus 2. The solution are: number 8, x squared minus 2x minus 27. So we see the last term is negative 27 and the middle term is negative 6x. So we make like that. 3 times negative 9 is negative 7. And the negative x plus 3x is negative 6x. So the final answer is x plus 3 times x minus 9. Number B is, we know 5 squared is 25. 9 squared is 49. So we made this square of 5x and last term is 7x. So use the square difference. So the formula that we can get the answer is 5x plus 7 times 5x minus 7. Number C, 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. We know the 2 squared is 4. 5 squared is 25. In the middle term is 20x. That means 2 times 2x times 5 is 20x. So the final answer is the square of 2x plus 5. Last question. 6x squared minus x minus 2. So this 6 squared is separated 2x times 3x. And last term is negative 2. So this is made 1 and times negative 2. So in middle term is negative x. So we can find here negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. And plus 3x, so it is negative x. So number D, the answer is 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 2. Example 2. We factor by grouping, and there are 3 questions. AC plus BC minus AD minus BD. And B is x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus y squared. C, x squared minus y squared minus 10y minus 25. And solution 8. We see the first term and second term, their common is C. And the third and fourth, their common is D. So we can make like that. And is equal C times the whole group A plus B and minus A plus B times D. So, and that there are same terms A plus B, so you take out A plus B and then times C minus D. Number B, x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus y squared. So in the first third term, we can make the perfect square of x plus 1. So according to the formula, and minus y squared. So we can make this one, use the square difference. So make x plus 1 plus y and times x plus 1 minus y. So the final answer is there are two factors. One is x plus 1 plus y times x plus 1 minus y. The last question, x squared minus y squared minus 10y minus 25. So we can make the last three terms in grouping. So this y squared plus 10y plus 25, you can make the perfect square of y plus 5. And then in the front is x squared. So let's use the formula of the square difference. So we can make this x plus y plus 5 times x minus the whole one, y plus 5. So the final answer is x plus y plus 5 times x minus y minus 5. Example 3. There are 4 questions. A is x squared minus 3x minus 28. B is 36x squared minus 25. C 9x squared minus 42x plus 49. D is 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. The solution A. You can see the last term is negative 28, so we can make the 4 and 7. And also we can see the middle term is negative 3x, so the 7 should be negative and the 4 is positive. So the final answer is x plus 4 times x minus 7, because negative 7x plus 4x is negative 3x, right? Number B, 36x squared minus 25. So we can see the 6 squared is 36, 5 squared is 25. So use the formula of square difference. So we made the 6x plus 5 times 6x minus 5. Number C, 9x squared minus 42x plus 49. So you notice 3 squared is 9, 7 squared is 49. So we made this the square formula, the perfect square. We made the perfect square of 3x minus 7. Number E, 6x squared minus 25. Here you made a square, so this is square of square root 6 is 6. 5 squared is 25, is the negative in the middle. So we can get this answer is square root 6 and then times x plus 5 times square root 6 and times x minus 5. And number D, 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. So 2x squared means 2x times x, and minus 15 is 3 times 5. Here 5 is negative because in the middle term is negative 7x. Here we can see that 2x times negative 5 is negative 10, and then plus 3x is negative 7x, right? So the answer of D is 2x plus 3 and then times x minus 5. Example 4. There are 4 questions. 4x cubic and 6x squared plus 2x. Number B, 3x squared times y squared and then 9x squared times y the power is 4 plus 3x times y cubic. Number C, 4a times a plus 1 minus 3 times a plus 1. Number D, 7x squared times x plus 1 minus x times x plus 1 plus 6 times x plus 1. The solution A. And then here they are cubic, x cubic, so we can see they are common, the number is 2, so take out the 2x, and then the bracket inside one is 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. So make this in the bracket turn into 2x minus 1, x minus 1. Because 2x squared is 2x times x. The positive one is minus 1 times minus 1. Because in the middle term is negative. Negative is 3x. So we have made this 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. So the answer of A is 2x times 2x minus 1 times x minus 1. Number B, 3x cubic times y squared minus y squared times y, the power is 4 plus 3x times y cubic. So we can take out the same part. It's 3xy squared, right? So remain the first term is x squared because this x cubic, and the middle term is negative 3xy squared because x is power is 2, so left 1 inside in the bracket, and y is 4, so it's left 2, power is 2 inside, and last term is y because here is y is cubic, so remain the y. And so this final answer is 3xy squared times x squared minus 3xy squared plus y. As number C, 4a times a plus 1 minus 3 plus a plus 1. So we can see the same term is a plus 1, so we just take out and left the 4a minus 3. So the number C answer is 4a minus 3 times a plus 1. Last question is 7x squared times x plus 1 minus x times x plus 1 plus 6 times x plus 1. So you can see that the same term is x plus 1. So you take out, leave another is 7x squared in the first term, and the middle term is the negative x, and last is plus 6. So this is the final answer. And next, example 5. There are 2 questions. The number A is 5x times 2 minus x plus 4x times 2x minus 5 minus 3x minus 4. Number B, 4t times t squared plus 4t plus 2 and 2t times 3t squared minus 6t plus 17. And the solution A. we had to expand it, so then simplify. And 5x times 2 is 10x. 5x times negative x is negative 5x squared, right? And the third term is 4x times 2x is 8x squared. And then 4x times negative 5 is negative 20x. Next, 3x is negative. And then the negative times negative 4, so it's positive 4. So this combined is like term. You get is equal 3x squared minus 13x plus 4. So we factor like that. 3x squared and made 3x times x. And the last term is 4. And the middle term is negative 13x. So we can make this negative 1, negative 4. So because negative 1 times negative 4 is a positive 4. And negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. And minus x, so is negative 13x. So the answer of A is 3x minus 1 times x minus 4. Number B, we had to expand it, and 4t times t squared is 4t cubic. Next, 4t times 4t is 16t squared. Next, 4t times 2 is 8t. Next, negative 2x times 3t squared is negative 6t cubic. Next, negative 2t times negative 6t is 12t squared. Last one, negative 2t times positive 17 is negative 34t. So this simplified, you can get the answer is negative 2t cubic plus 28t squared minus 26t. So we take out the common term, and negative 2t in the bracket. Inside one is t squared minus 14t plus 13. So in the bracket, you can make this t minus 13 times t minus 1, because the last term is 13 in the bracket. You can make the negative 13 times negative 1, so it's positive. But the inside one is negative 14t, so it's negative 1t, negative 13t. Total is negative 14t. So this a final answer of B is negative 2t times t minus 13 times t minus 1. Example 6, there are 4 questions. X squared minus 5x minus 14. Number B, x squared plus 4xy minus 5y squared. Number C, 6m squared minus 90m plus 324. D, 16x squared plus 76x plus 90. Solution A. We can see the negative term, the third term is negative 14, so you can make the 2 negative 7. In the middle one is negative 5x, and then here we double check it is negative 7x plus 2x is negative 5x. So the final answer of A is x plus 2 times x minus 7. And the number B, you can see is x squared plus 4xy minus 5x squared. So x squared made x times x, And the last term is negative y squared is made in 5y times negative y. And the middle term is 4xy, so is double check the middle one is 5xy minus xy, so it's positive 4xy. So the final answer of B is x plus 5y times x minus y. The C, question C, is 16x squared plus 76x plus 90. So you know the 4 squared is 16, and last term is 90. So we can make the 10 times 9 is 90. And in the middle one is 76x, so we double check the 4x times 9, and then plus 4x times 10, so totally is 76x, right? So the answer of C is 4s plus 10 times 4s plus 9. Example 7, factor. There are 6 questions. Number A, x squared minus 9. Number B, 4 times n squared minus 49. C, x the power is a minus 1. Next is 9 times perfect square of y minus 1 minus 25. E, 3x squared minus 27 times perfect square 2 minus x. Last question is negative p squared times q squared plus 20 and 81. And the solution A, the x squared minus 9, you made use the formula to make this x plus 3 times x minus 3. And here the 2 square is 4, so and 7 square is 49, so use the square difference, so we can make this answer is 2n plus 7 times 2n minus 7. And number C, a power x power a minus 1, we made is the square of x to the power 4 minus 1, so this is x to the power 4 plus 1 x to the power 4 minus 1. So the first term keep it, no formula. And the second term their formula. So we can make this x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1. And keep going the factor for x squared minus 1. So it's x plus 1 x minus 1. So the final answer of C is there are 4 factors. And first one, x to the power 4 plus 1 times x squared plus 1 x plus 1 x minus 1. Number D, 9 times perfect square y minus 1 minus 25. So here the 3 square is 9, so this made the whole thing is that of A. The B, like the 5, right? So I can make this 3 times the whole thing, y minus 1 and plus 5, and times y times bracket the y minus 1 and then the minus 5. So they simplify like that. 3y plus 2 times 3y minus 8. Next, number E. 3x squared minus 27 and times perfect square of 2 minus x. So 27 equal 9 times 3. So common term is 3, take out. So we can make this 3 times x squared, and then minus is 3 times perfect square x 2 minus x. So Get is the answer is 3 times 6 minus 2x times 2x minus 3. So our final answer is 6 times 3 minus x times 2x minus 3. Because this term there are 2 can take out. And last question, negative p squared times q squared plus 81. So use the square difference. So make this 9 plus pq times 9 minus pq. Example 8. There are 6 questions. You can do this one, the solution. Number 8, ax plus ay plus bs plus by. So the first 2 terms, they are same a, take out. The last 2 is same b, is take out b. So we can make this, the answer is a plus b times x plus y. Number b, if a grouping, so the first 2 terms you can take out 2a, so it makes the 2a times b plus 1, and last 2 is take 3, negative 3, so you can make negative 3 times b plus 1. So its final answer is 2a minus 3 times b plus 1. Number C, x cubic plus x squared minus x minus 1. So the first 2 we can take out x squared. So this x squared plus x times x plus 1. And the last 2 when grouping the negative x plus 1. So they are same terms, x plus 1 take out. So this x squared minus 1 times x plus 1. And the first terms keep going to factor. So x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x plus 1. So there are 2x plus 1 multiplied. So this made it the perfect square of x plus 1 times x minus 1. Number D, 1 minus x squared plus 6x minus 1. So we can make this one take out the negative. It's more easy, right? So we can get last term is a. We can use negative 2 times negative 4 is positive a. Because the middle one is negative 6x, so we have to make negative 4, negative 2. Because negative 4x plus negative 2x equal negative 6x. Alright? So number E, a squared minus b squared plus 25 plus 10a. So we can use the grouping like a squared plus 10a plus 25. We made the perfect square of a plus 5 and then a minus b squared. So here let's keep going to use the square difference, the formula. You can make this a plus 5 plus b and a plus 5 minus b. This is the final answer. And last question, F, 2m squared plus 10m minus 10n minus 2n squared. So it's grouping like that. 2m squared minus 2n squared plus 10m plus n. So the first 2 we can make is 2 times m plus n times m minus n. And last term keep writing same, 10n plus n. So they are same terms, n plus n. So take out and make the final answer is 2 times n plus n and times n minus n plus 5. right? And example 9, factor. There are 6 questions. And question 8, the solution. And 2x times x minus 3 plus 7 times 3 minus x. We can see this x minus 3. We can change this one. Take out the negative, so the same term x minus 3. So in the front, the rightist become to negative 7. So made it the same term x minus 3. So the final answer is 2x minus 7 times x minus 3. It is the final answer for A. Number B, xy plus 6x plus 5y plus 30. So we use grouping, like the first two term made is x times 6 plus y, and last two term makes 5 times y plus 6. So the final answer is take out the 6 plus y times x plus 5. Number C, x cubic minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. So the first two terms may take out the x squared, so the x squared times x minus 1. And the last two terms is made negative 4x minus 1. So we can see the same term x minus 1, so it's take out left x squared minus 4. So keep going, the factor x squared minus 4 become to x plus 2 times x minus 2. So the final answer is x plus 2x minus 2x minus 1. Number D, and y squared minus 49 plus 14x minus x squared. So we can make the first two terms, y plus 7 times y minus 7, and last two terms made x times 14 minus x, because they have the same x. Take out. This is the final answer already. Number E, 6x squared minus 21x minus 12x plus 42. So we can make this one. 6x squared made 6x times x. 42 made this negative 41 and negative 2. So it is a positive 42. And then the middle one, 1 is negative 21 times x is negative 21x. Negative 2 times 6x is negative 12x. So this is the final answer. Number F, 12m cubic minus 14m squared minus 30m plus 35. So the first term, we can make like this to take out the same term, 2m squared, and the left 6m minus 7, and the last two terms take out negative 5. So it is negative 5 times 6m minus 7. So the final answer is 2m squared minus 5 times 6m minus 7. All above talking about the factor. The method is number 1, using formula, the difference of the square. A squared minus b squared equal a plus b times a minus b. And the perfect square is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal perfect square of a plus b. And next is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal perfect square of a minus b. And next method is a factor by grouping. All of this for some practice. Thank you for your listening and watching. Please share the video to people they want to study the course. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.